I'm going to show you how you can use Talkdesk. Now on Talkdesk here, I'm going to show you how you can coach and perform your journey. Now from here, if you want to tap on here, you can see these are the things, these are the UI, the home screen that we can see here, right? Now all of these insight, like the evaluation, like you can see right now, the user is called Tom Huts, right? The date is around that much and the score is around 26% here, right? If you want to see what it will look like, just tap on this guy here. Now you can see this is what it will look like, right? This is his activity. Now think of this as one of our employees here, right? Now you can tap on next here. Now you can see, tap on next again. You can see the screen and audio recordings can be reviewed in sync to ensure a holistic understanding of what happened during each interaction, including the agent's on-screen activity. So this is the call between the agent and also the customer here, right? So you can review it. Now you can see timestamp comments and feedback can be used to provide agents with more context about what they did well and where they have room for improvement. You can see things like here, right? Now, for example here, hi, thanks for calling P-Pikes, the leader in European Sustainable Mobility Solution. My name is Tom. How can I help you today? So you can see the AI recognizes that he saw that, right? Now these are positive one, right? But in this one, this is bad, right? Because I'm sorry, but there is nothing I can do next time. I suggest you plan ahead and make your purchase earlier when the sale are always a busy time with peak demand. Now the AI say that Tom here, Tom Hutt's activity here, the way he said that is bad, right? Because for us, that could be bad, right? Because that is a bad customer service here, right? So it's a pretty intelligent AI here, right? Now if I just tap on next here, now I'm going to keep on learning here. You can see there's also things like here as well here, right? This is called results. Now on results here, it'll basically create your employees on which one is the most better. Now you can see on top is called Mark Bernovis for around 87% in score. Now you can see there's automated call here as well. You can also set up a coaching session if you like that. So if someone who's performing underperforming, you can coach them if you like. So next you can click on save. You can tap on next. These are appreciation here. Sometimes a little friendly competition can help you keep engines engaged and inspire your teams to perform even better. So like challenges. Now, with challenges, it's never been easier to apply gamification to specific goals and outcome for your team. Just set your goal, the time frame, and the agents that you like to include, and it's game on. So it's just a challenge game, right? So it makes the company more fun and more engaging as well. Now, this is basically how you can use Talkdesk. It's a team management for agents and gamification, things like that, to make things a little more fun.